Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning, and I'm just going to call this my Bo Bunny haul because basically these are Bo Bunny stamps and stuff. But before I get to the stamps, I did want to show you this one sticker sheet that I got. This is the Felicity. I showed the paper pad and the paper firmer that I got to go along with it, but this is just the sticker sheet, so I can use that with the other collection to make some tags and stuff. They also have some tags out, the tag kits by Bo Bunny in the store, and that should be on my Instagram page, Dare to Be Creative One, if you want to see some of those. But this is 99¢, and the number for this one is 1942065. Now, I have a couple other stamps before my Bo Bunnies. These are a couple stem pendant stamps. I took back my house mouse stamps because they're cling. When you peel the cling off it, the whole layer comes off there. You can't even see the house mouse thing on it. So that was a waste of no stamps. So I took those back, and a couple of duplicate stencils I had. So some of these I got for free. I just exchanged them. But anyway, this is the stamp pendant stamp, and it's $4.99. And the number to that one is 1944266. And it just says life is like a road trip. And then this one says Animal Mobile. And this one is 1944265. Oh, that's fast. Is that the same number? No, 6665. Okay. And I did haul last week how I got the pop-up die set 2-pack for $5.99 because my people at Tuesday morning were being too lazy to take it out. But anyway, I got this to go along with that stamp pendant set where you can make these pop-ups die sets. And Michael's has this for $19.99, but they had it with the dies and stamps for $5.99, and it's 1944280. Sorry about the glare. My light is angle funny. And then this is a Heidi Swapp one. Excuse me. 12-piece. I'm not sick anymore, but I still got that cough to come up on me. Sorry about that. 12-piece stamp set for $3.99, and it says my girl is, or my boy is special, beautiful, unique, authentic, thankful for you. So I thought that was cute. And so that number is 1935289. So the rest of these are Bo Bunny stamps, and these came from 2 stores, and they had like, oh my god, like a bazillion Bo Bunny stamps. So I try to put them in numerical order. So once I say the first digit, I'm just gonna say the last 2. Now this one did not have a number on it, and she rang it. She had to type it in there, so I don't know what the number is because it has no sticker. These are all $2.99. So basically $3 stickers. So the first one, I'm going to say the number, and then the only thing that's going to change is the last 2 digits. So this one is a doodle frame stamp, 1937183. So this is 83. And so it's a frame, decorative frame, but also these are stitching. Now these, you kind of think that they're not that important, but when you do anything like I'm in the zine collab, these little, when you stamp these on the background, it gives it a little bit of dimension, adding those to your stamps, to your layouts and stuff like that when you're doing the zine or iCAD or ATC. So that one is 83. This one is 86. And this one's called Slumber Party. I thought these would be cute to color in those little girls. And this one is 88. And this one is called Splash. Super cute. And this one is called A Pocket Full of Pose. And this is 89. I don't know if I said this one. That was 88. And then the Slumber Party was 86. And this one is 89. Pocket Full of Pose. So basically, some flowers. Take Note, and this one is 90. I love this for a background, because this is really just nice for mixed media. And this is Woodland Critters, and this is 91. I don't know if I said this one. 90. That's 90. And this 91. Hopefully you can see that without the glare from the light. This one I'm going to show you is 93, and it's Butterfly Kiss. This is Rejoice, and this one is 97. I like this because it says He lives, rejoice, praise, courage, strength. I believe. This is Gearing Up, and that one, the one I just said Rejoice, is 97. This one is 200. Nice masculine steampunk as well, if you're into that. Perfect Petals, and this is 201. Almost look like you can do it as a layering stamp. I'm not sure. And this Birds of a Feather, and this one is 202. So again, these are in order. The only thing that changes is the last number. This one is Postal, and this is 205. Nice to stamp on the outside of some snail mail. Countdown, and this is 208. It's also funky numbers. You can color them in if you're into coloring, just like the owl. The same thing with that one. You can color that in if you do adult coloring. This is another one that I think is great for mixed media. This is the Geometric Patterns, and this is 212. Great for some background layering. Not that I'm a great mixed media person, but I like that for that. This one is To the Point. So obviously it has some arrows, things that points on it, and also says love this every day and hello. And this is number 19. And this is You're Invited. And this one is 21. And they also have one, I think this says Thank You, which I think is the one I thought I had. I think I put this one back. And that was 21. And then this one is 23, and it's called Floral. Pretty, pretty flowers. And then the last one is Stitches. And again, the same thing. This can be nice with some borders or edges around your pages. And this one is 24. And those can be like cut out little doilies. So thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.